In this lecture, we shall discuss about the application AstroSage. From the Google playlist, you can install this AstroSage application. AstroSage, ASTROSAGE. So once you install this application, you can start running it, and you need to give 3 details of a person. If you want to check the horoscope of a person, then you have to give these 3 details: date of birth, which includes month and year, time of birth, and place of birth. Okay, these 3 details you can enter into that application. So once you submit these 3 details, it will show your chart, the birth chart. It is called D1 chart. Okay, divisional chart. D for divisional chart. D1 chart is the Lagna chart or birth chart. Now you can find LA in the top box. You can see a square with the 12 boxes. In the top middle, that is called the first box or first house. There you can find LA written inside it, and there will be a number in that. So that first house is also called Lagna in Sanskrit, and it is also called the ascendant or rising sign or the first house. Now, what is this rising sign? What is this first house? Okay. Rising sign means whichever zodiac sign is situated in that first box, the first house, that is called the rising sign. For example, if you find number 4 in that box, then Cancer rising. If you find number 11, then it is Aquarius rising. Now, how can we say which zodiac sign is rising? Which zodiac sign occupies the first house? How can we say that? I shall give an example. For example, if a person is born on July 25th, 2020 at 6 a.m. Okay, at your place. Now let us assume the sunrise time at your place is 6 a.m. Sun will be in one of these 12 zodiac signs. Okay. So from a month 15 to another month, the next month 15th, Sun will be in a particular zodiac sign. Here in our example, July 25th is the date of birth. July 15th to August 15th, Sun will be in Cancer zodiac sign. Every year from July 15th to August 15th, Sun will be in Cancer zodiac sign. So when the Sun is rising at 6 a.m., then Cancer will be rising. Cancer zodiac sign will be rising because Sun is in Cancer from July 15th to August 15th, and the person is born on July 25th. So Sun would have traversed 10 degrees in the Cancer zodiac sign. Each zodiac sign is for 30 degrees. The whole zodiac is for 360 degrees. So each day Sun travels 1 degree in a zodiac sign. Okay. So exactly at the moment of the person's birth, at 6 a.m. July 25th, 2020, Cancer zodiac sign is rising at the east. Sun rises in the east. So when a baby is born, you have to look towards the east. Whichever zodiac sign is rising, then that will be the first house. That will be the rising sign or Lagna. If the baby is born in the evening, the sun will be in the west. Sun will be in the 7th house. Okay. So our Astro Sage application, it exactly says, by doing all the calculations, it exactly says which zodiac sign is rising at the moment of your birth. Now, what is this house? Why there are 12 houses in the chart? Each house represents a particular aspect of our life. See, we are not these bodies. We are not our mind. We are spirit soul. That's what the Bhagavad Gita says. We are souls. But we have gross and subtle bodies. Subtle body is our mind, intelligence and ego, and the gross body consists of the 5 material elements: earth, water, fire, air and ether. And the subtle body is mind, intelligence and ego. So each planet, we have 9 planets, Navagrahas, then we have 12 houses. Each planet and each house represents a part of our subtle body and a part of our gross body and a person in our family or in our relatives or in our close friends circle, or a person in the society, or a person in the government. A planet also represents certain non-living objects. They may represent colors, tastes. Okay, a planet represents various things. It represents something within our subtle body, then gross body, then within the family, within the relatives, friend circle, society and the government, and even non-living objects. Okay, so these are the important points. Install the application AstroSage. Give the 3 details: date, time and place. The date of birth should have month and year also. Then the application will give you the birth chart. You can find the first house or the ascendant at the top, middle, and from there you can count the houses in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, you have to count the houses, house 1, house 2, house 3 in the anti-clockwise direction. House 7 is directly opposite to house 1 and house 4 is directly opposite to house 10. Now what are these various houses and what do they represent? That we will see in the next lecture.